Whether you're a professional or hobbyist, Swift Publisher has all you need to get great results. Those looking for a quick fix will find a collection of pre-designed templates broken up into categories. Templates for brochures, flyers, menus, newsletters, and more. In this gallery, we have a category called My Templates for any projects we choose to save as templates. And of course, should you choose to create a document from scratch, you can always click the New Blank button. A window will come up where you set the number of pages, whether to display one page or 2 pages side by side, set the document size, orientation, and margins. Now let's get back to the template gallery and pick out a ready-made brochure, and click Choose to get right to work. Welcome to Swift Publisher 5. Let's take a look around. The program interface is very straightforward. We'll essentially take a look at all of the aspects during the course of our video tutorials. So for now, I really want to draw attention to the 2 main parts of the interface. One of those is the Source panel, where we can find our clip art collection, photos from Apple Photos, iPhoto, or Aperture, and the library of smart shapes. The other is the Inspector, which is where we can edit our document setup and page type, the size and position of objects, images and shapes, as well as text. Either of these panels can be hidden and shown using the corresponding buttons on the toolbar. Note that the left button opens a menu with several more functions. Now let's take a look at the way Swift Publisher works. Swift Publisher documents are made up of layers with text and images and can be composed of multiple pages. In fact, our brochure is a 2-page document. As of now, we only see the first, but we can switch between pages using the Pages panel brought up at the top of the canvas. Each page is composed of layers. Layers are meant to unclutter your workspace so that the design process is simpler. Here we have foreground and background. The foreground layer is for text, and background is for image objects. We can make layers invisible, choose whether or not to print a certain layer, and add additional layers. Now, templates are 100% customizable. Changing text is as simple as double-clicking on a text box, deleting the default text, and typing in what we need. Note that we can also jump over to the background layer and change any of the pictures. To replace one, simply click on it, jump over to the Source panel, find a picture that you like, and drag and drop it right to the selected image. Let's go ahead and go through. Change our texts and our images to get exactly what we need. And in just a few minutes, we have a brochure ready for printing. The canvas has the preview mode, which can be activated using this menu in the toolbar. You can see that it hides all unprintable objects such as guidelines and frames of text boxes so that you can see what actually will be printed. So let's click the Print button and get to printing our document. Do note that this was basically a general walkthrough of the program. The nitty-gritty details of editing and building documents in Swift Publisher will be uncovered in specialized video tutorials, so be sure to stick around.